What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, after 1 year I am back in Mumbai for AYCS. Obviously that is all you can street event, that is a sneaker event here in Mumbai. And yes, before that event I am going for a shoot that is in Kalagoda for a store known as Project Street. If you guys are from Mumbai, you guys already know that. But yes, I'm going there for a shoot. After that I'll head to the event. So yes, this is going to be a very interesting vlog, and I am just trying to cater something new to you guys, something interesting. So yes, if you like this vlog, do share this video, like this video and comment what you guys think about it. And yes, I'll see you later. So now we are here at the Project Street store, and I can't show you guys a lot about it, but yeah, I'm going to go in. This is my full outfit and I am here at the Project Street store. The vibe here is amazing. You guys can see that. I can't show you guys a lot of things here, but you guys will see me soon. So yes, I was really busy with the shoot and all, and I didn't really get to talk to you guys a lot, but yeah, you guys can see there is some shoot going on, like some celebrity kind of shoot. I don't know who she is, or I don't know what is going on there exactly, but yeah, it's something pretty wild there. Okay, so we just got to know that jaywalking is here. Like, we really didn't know about it, but yeah, I just got to know jaywalking is here. Now we'll go in and see how jaywalking exactly is. So we are very late right now for the event because I feel it's 2-3 hours left right now, and we were here at the hotel. We had to change because after the shoot we were really tired. We had to eat something, and after that now we are heading to the event. I hope we are there on time. I don't think so, but yeah, let's hope for the best. We have reached the destination here. This looks cool, and this is Akshay, a very late introduction. This is Swaraj, this is Calvin. You guys already know most of these guys. He mostly shoots my video, you guys already know. And this is me, obviously. I'm wearing a good hairstyle today, so yeah. And this is my outfit. Finally, I'm wearing a good sneaker, and this is the time when we are undressing the sneaker, so yeah. We have finally entered, and I feel we are very late because people are going out, we are coming in. So let's explore some things, let's go around, check out some stuff, and then I'll talk to you. This is pretty good, like I'm really enjoying myself, but one thing I miss here, I feel, is more of a sneaker stores. I don't know why, like I feel there are very less sneaker stores right now. I don't know why, but I feel so because I only found one store that is High Fly, and after that I didn't see any other things. So that's kind of sad right now, but yeah, I'll go around, see more stuff, show you guys more stuff, and stay tuned. So guys, I have just chosen this frame. I feel it looks good on me. Just let me know what you guys think about it. What do you guys think? I feel very confident. I feel really nice on this, but what do you guys think? How do I look? Like the braids, everything looks cool, I feel, but what do you guys think? This looks really dope, man. Do let me know, guys, how do I look? Like, I feel super futuristic, but yeah. I can feel you, man. Finally, we are out. It's 11:30 right now, and we were here at around 7:30, something like that, 8, something like that. And I thought I was really late to the party, but no, I really enjoyed myself, and I was not shooting a lot because there were not a lot of people, I'll say. And there is day 2 of this as well. So it's not over yet. There is a lot of things I want to show you guys, a lot of things I'm going to do tomorrow, because we're going to do early checkout tomorrow and then we don't have anything to do. So I don't know what's the plan for tomorrow, but yeah, I hope we do something at least. So yes, this is done for day 1. I'll see you on day 2. So welcome to the day 2 of me going through Mumbai and me going to the sneaker event. But yes, today is day 2 and I am kind of very late to start the vlog. Every time I am vlogging I am late somewhere or the other. We checked out of the hotel and then we came for the lunch because it was brunch time. Now we heading to Geo Drive Mall, and after that we are heading to the sneaker event, that is AYCS. The one thing I wanted to address is, whenever I do this braids here, like you can have a look, whenever I do that, people give some crazy expressions to me. Like everyone is just staring at me like anything. People are like, "Why isne kya kiya?" Like I don't know. They feel it feels kind of weird, and on top of that, to add that spices in that situation, I do vlogging. So I'm vlogging, I'm talking to the camera on the random street, and people are like, the expressions are weird sometimes, but yeah, I feel I look good, right? Yeah, I'm feeling good. Today I guess I'm going to the Nike store here because we're gonna have some, I'm going to look at some Jordans in a Nike store, because in Pune we don't get to see that, but here we will. And I'll show you guys some things if they let me shoot. I don't think so they do, but yeah. And before that we are going to Starbucks. We normally do not go there because it's kind of expensive. If you know, you know. But yeah, today we are like, let's do it. So we are heading there. Let's have some drinks, and I see the Nike store there. If you guys can see that big Nike swoosh. It's been 1.5 minutes I'm talking to the camera. I should stop. See you guys, I am entering the Starbucks now. The coffee smell in Starbucks is really good. Okay, so we are out of the Nike store. They didn't let us film in there because for their own reasons, but yeah. Now I don't know where we are going, but mostly we'll head towards the event. I'm really excited for today because I'm going to shoot a lot of content, like the shorts, the question answer shorts, and I have some interesting questions for you guys, like people there, and you guys will love it, definitely, I know that. And now we'll head towards the main gate and then we'll leave, most probably. I don't know what they plan on, but yeah.
Are you the sneaker guy?
Hello. Sir, one
Yes,
photo,
yes, yes.
one photo.
Let's do a photo. मेरे खुद के फोन से. हाँ.
I'll click it.
Guys, I have a lot of fans, you know. This is a random fan. He is just shy. That's the reason he's not able to. So this la paija. हाँ. He's taking a selfie, guys. Like a lot of fans, you guys know that.
Just check the paint.
That man has no fear, in my opinion. That man is fearless. He should win Khatron Ke Khiladi. Just look. If you have a dog, girls will like you, man. Just look at this. This is the attention you get when you have a dog. And look at him. He doesn't get any attention because he doesn't have a dog. So don't be like Akshay. So this is my today's outfit. I'm finally confident about it. I was kind of confused what to wear, what to not, but yeah, this is cool. I feel really nice with this, and I have a very good point in the hair as well because I'm very much liking this one because it looks cool. So you guys, yes, you guys know that, and I want to show you guys something. This is Akshay again. This is Calvin. He's pretty angry. I don't know why. And this is Swaraj. He's in that old money aesthetic today. And this is his outfit. Akshay looks dope. This guy is like to the next level. Just look at him. So yes, again you guys have to decide who is wearing the best outfit today, because you guys already know the drill, because even yesterday's outfit Let's to decide who's wearing the best one. And now we are going to enter. Okay, today I am really early for the event because I didn't want to miss anything, and I wanted to do that all the interview stuff, and for that I have to have some low kind of music, because if the music is loud you guys can't hear me, and after that you guys shout in comments that please use a good mic. So yes, I have a mic, but the music here is too loud, and that is the reason you guys can't hear me, like can't hear the audio properly. But now if I shoot, it should be something good.
Follow you on YouTube,
Oh,
bro.
hi man, thank you so much.
Man, I love your videos.
Thank you
bro.
so
make
much,
your
man.
fits in the shoes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Man. Thank you so
Like
much.
a photo with you?
Sure, man. Okay, so I really wanted to show you guys something. So this is the J Balvin Jordan 3s that released last week, and this is a fire sneaker in my opinion. Just have a look at it, and I believe this is better than the last one they dropped, and this is known as sunset color or something like that, something like this. But yeah, this is really fire, and I personally love it. And just look at this wall right here, like just look at this wall. They have everything you want, and each and every grails you guys like just have a look at this, like Dior's, LV's, Travis Scott, all the lobsters, like just look at them, just look at this. I personally really like this, and this one, like even this one, this dropped last year I believe, but in my opinion these are really good, like they are fire, pretty fire. I really love them, this one especially.
Hi guys, we're at the High Fly stall here, and we're with this guy. What's your name, sir?
Ronit.
Ronit. He's completely dripped up from top to bottom.
Thank you so much.
Do you mind if you ask some sneaker questions?
Sure, man,
So what according to you is the sneaker of the year?
Okay, so guys, I just saw something very crazy here. Like you guys have seen the sneaker crates and all. This looks pretty but just look at them right now. That looks crazy, right? Like just look. This is not yet. Now this, just look at it. And this is automatic, right? So this is crazy. Like if you keep your grails in them, this will be fire. So yeah, we are in the 710 store. If you guys don't know, 710 is a very good brand, Indian brand. And today, Swaraj and Calvin wants to buy something, I believe. They want to get something. I guess they like something here and they want to buy it. So let's see if they get it. I'll show you guys definitely. So we have got a very big problem here. So here is a sneaker, a height of sneaker from 710. And the biggest problem here is this, both of them wants to buy this, and they both like the same sneaker. And fortunately we have an offer here, that is buy one get one free. And now they both are confused that what if they end up buying the same sneakers. So they are just waiting and thinking over it. I don't know what they are going to do. So guys, yes, finally we are out from the 710 store, and what we have bought. Nothing.
Unfortunately, nothing. They
They
didn't
didn't
add the size.
Yeah, they didn't have their size. Bad luck. Like they did try for a long time, and after that, sad, right? Yeah, that's how it goes when you want to buy something and you don't get that. It's irritating, but yeah. Dope outfit, man.
Hey, how's it going, brother?
All good. Man.
Yeah.
So much.
Is it better than yesterday?
I don't think so, but yeah. Like the camera can capture it. It must be glowing, the black part, and this side panels glows in dark. So yeah, that's the crazy part about it. So today I have given a lot of interviews myself. I was taking interview of people, and today the tables have turned, and I have given a lot of interviews myself. Chocolate factory? Yeah, that might be the. Okay, so I just got interviewed again. I just told you guys I'm getting interviewed a lot today, but I just got interviewed again. And Sugar, you can just see here. This is the brand Sugar, and they just gifted me something. I don't know what it is. So let's unbox it together, unwrap it, I'll say. So let's see what's inside. I'm pretty excited for this. I don't know why. This is a t-shirt. I believe this looks like a hoodie, man. I feel this looks like a hoodie. This looks hard, man. This is the front print. This is not white, I believe. It might look white in camera, but yeah, it looks really good. It's really thick, like it's heavy, and winters are coming, so my hoodie season is going to start. I love wearing hoodies, but not in summers. It's really hot, and I love the print. And this is from the same brand here. Just look at this. It's Sugar. And if you guys are watching this, thank you so much for this. I love it. Thank you so much. It's time to say bye-bye to the event, and I'm kind of in a hurry because the cab was waiting. So yeah. So yes, finally I have left the event. I was in a hurry because the cab was waiting, and that's the reason I just left without talking to you guys. So yes, we are leaving for Pune right now, but before that I'll go have my food, then we'll leave for Pune. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching this video for this long. I don't know what the content is going to look like. I hope it looks like something interesting for you guys. And yes, finally Mumbai trip is done, and I'm really tired. My legs have given up. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video if you like it. Comment down which part did you like. Did you enjoy this kind of vlogs? And yes, I have made some interesting shots here. The content here, it's going to be really fun. So yes, look out for that. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace. Okay, so I just wanted to share this. I know the video has ended, but if you're watching this, just listen this for a minute, and you can go after the vlog. So yeah, after the event we were supposed to go to a place to eat, a specific restaurant. Then we had a train from railway station. Okay, so that was a simple thing, that we will go to eat, and from there we'll go to the terminal, and then we'll take the train and we'll head back to Pune. But right now you guys can see I'm not in a train, I'm in a bus. So that is a twist in the game, because everything was going cool, everything was going great. So the universe thought we should have some fun. So now we booked the cab, and unfortunately that cab was booked wrong and to some other place, and we didn't notice that until we reached the destination. And we reached a random very far restaurant, and after that we noticed there is something wrong, and then we got to know that it is really far, because we had a train, we didn't eat anything there, so we just left again for the terminal, that is railway station. So we went to the railway station, and there we got to know that our train has been delayed. So we were like, no problem, half an hour we can stay. But our train was delayed by 6 hours. I hope you guys understand the depth of the situation, because it is 6 hours. So that was, so we came back to Dadar in Mumbai. From Lokmanya Tilak terminal we came back to Dadar. We had to eat something because we were starving, and then we came back to Lokmanya Dadar for this bus. So we booked so we had something, we had a food, then the food got delayed, and for that we had to take some of the food parcel, because our bus had to leave on time. So then finally we are in the bus right now, and we are heading to Pune. We are comfortable right now, but that was a very hectic, stressful situation for us.
And we can't eat the parcel also.
and we can't eat the parcel also, because obviously if we eat food, it is going to smell in the bus, and it is a AC bus, and we do not want to disturb other passengers. And there is no one behind me, but there are people there, so that's the reason I'm vlogging and talking this clearly here. So yes, that was a happy ending to the Mumbai vlog. So I hope to see. Akshay says life ऐसा ना बोल दे कि picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, but no, I'll see you in the next video.
God's plan, bro.
God's plan. So yes, thank you so much for watching this guys. See you next time in the next video. Peace.